Hello, how are you? Good to see you again. It's always a pleasure. I wasn't going to do a video, but my pickled olives came in. Are not olives, I mean mushrooms. Okay, all natural pickled vegetable. Weight 16 ounces. And look at how they spell pickled. Isn't that cool? I had one. And I was like, as soon as I pulled it out, my mouth was watering. But I mean, geez. I got it off Amazon, and if you like pickled shit, it came in like an old-fashioned mason jar, and the lid was one of those mason jar. Look at look at that seasoning. Oh my gosh. But check this out. Pickled olive. I mean, damn it, mushroom. Whole mushrooms. Oh, damn, that's good. This is the Vipertech. That was a fart. This is Vipertech Joker. Okay. The other one I ate, it was whole. And I was like, oh my gosh. But look at that. I have a cat here perched on a... Get down from there. Get down. Get down. Keepers. But look at that. Well, let's do this. Some of this garlic that I had before. Some of my olives. Some of my baby back ribs that I cooked the other day. Cold. I guess I could heat them up, but we'll slice that up really thin with my Joker knife. Mix that all together. Make a little meat salad. With olives, pickled olives, pickled mushroom. Oh, I dropped it, damn it. They think they want it. Missy, do you really think you want that? You don't want that, trust me. And the lean beef. And there's Angie Tribecca. You don't want that. No. And the garlic. Nice little salad. Could put some... Get off of there. You're not supposed to eat that. Goofball. That's my snack for the night. These are great. I'll put a link down in the description where I got them. Fucking A. Gotta go, very busy. We'll see you.